Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I am here today to show you a palette that I got a couple months ago. I've had some time to try it out and thought I would tell you about it because I'm really loving it. This is the Laura Geller Best of the Best Baked Full Face Basics. I think I bought this kit. It also came with their baked foundation, which I'm not sure I'm crazy about. The whole kit with the foundation, that baked foundation, and a brush, a kabuki brush that came with it, and this was like normally $59, and they had a special where it was down to closer to $30. So this would definitely have been cheaper than that, at least on sale. So I'll put a link for you, and then we can, and actually when I see what that price is on this now, I'll put something there for you. But anyway, I'm really loving this. So if you're familiar with Laura Geller, she has a lot of these products that they take a cream and then make a product, a blush, an eyeshadow, a highlighter, whatever, and then it gets baked so that it's hard, and then it's like a powder that you put on. And I have had one of her, it's kind of blush highlighter combo. It's sort of pink and brown, has kind of streaks in it. And I've had that thing for so long. And so I thought, well, I know it'll be a good deal. If I like the colors and everything, I know it'll be a really good deal. So I just wanted to walk you through how I use these. Now, I'm not going to put it on. I'm wearing this makeup right now, but I'm not going to show you up close. I am going to show you the different colors up close, and then I'll show you where on my face I put these different items. So, okay, here we go. So here is, there's a mirror I don't want to blind you with, but that's what it looks like. So let me show you what it looks like. First of all, there is a bronzer, and so we'll start over on this side. And there's a bronzer, and with this, obviously, you can use it, under your cheekbones, on your forehead. But what I have found that I love doing with it is putting it on my lower eyelid. It's kind of a mix of a brown and a pearly color, and I just really love putting it on my lower lid. Then there's the two light colors in the center, and those are highlighters. The bronzer is called Tahitian Glow. And then of these two highlighters, the one that's on the top is French Vanilla. It is not shimmery at all. And the one on the bottom is called Portofino, and it is a very shimmery highlighter. So what I do with these is I take the non-shimmery kind and I put it under my eyebrow, and then and sometimes I put it in the outer corner of my eye if it happens to, like if my makeup has kind of come off there and it looks pink. And then I take the shimmery part and I put it just on the corner and the inside of my eye. All right, so now we go to the blush. This particular blush is called Pink Buttercream. And obviously I use it like a regular blush, but this one is kind of dark for my skin. So I've actually purchased a different Laura Geller baked blush. I think, what is it called? Sunkissed, or I'll put the name of the kind that I bought. It's a brighter pink, and I just like it better on my skin. This one I'll use from time to time, and maybe if my skin is tanner or I'm wearing a darker foundation, it might look better. Not sure, but I wish that that brighter pink had been what was included in this. But all is not lost, because otherwise I love this palette. All right, now let's go to the eyeshadows. So we have our three eyeshadows across the top, and the first one is called Oyster. It is shimmery, it's a pearly color, and when I don't use the highlighter or the bronzer as a shadow on my lower lid, I use Oyster on the lower lid. Only I don't like shimmer shadows on the upper part of my eye. I know, people say older women can get away with it. I don't look good with it. I don't think I look good with it. So I only keep shimmery stuff on my lower lid. So then the one in the center is called Sunstone, And I take that and swipe that over the whole rest of my lid, the upper part of my lid, except for not right up under the brow because I've got the highlighter up there. Okay, that goes over the whole lid. And then the last one, this dark one, is called Almond. And that one I use in two different ways. One is I use it in the crease of my eye. And so I really just kind of dig it into the crease there and then a little bit down to the corner on the outer corner of my eye. It looks really dark in the palette, but it doesn't look horribly dark going on. I was a little nervous about that, but it doesn't. So I don't even find that I need to blend everything. I mean, I do a lot of the time, but if I just happen to be going really fast, if I don't blend it, it still looks really nice. And then the other way that I use it is as kind of an eyeliner over my eyeliner. So if I'm not wearing eyeliner that day, then I'll swipe it on above and below my eyes. But a lot of times I'll put some eyeliner pencil on and kind of blend that in with a brush and then take a little tiny brush and put this over the top. It just adds a little blurring to the eyeliner and has the tiniest little sparkle in it. So anyway, I am absolutely loving this. Like I said, I will have it linked for you in the space below, as well as the other blush that I really like and that I bought. And yeah, if you're looking for a good palette, give it a try. I had sworn off palettes because I was tired of getting palettes where most of the stuff in the box I didn't use, and I am using every single thing in this box. So I hope you like it, you guys. Take care. Bye.